Hello everyone. Today I'll be discussing a form of cancer therapy that is a newer type of cancer therapy which is now available in India at a much lower cost as compared to other countries. This therapy, that is CAR T-cell therapy or chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy, is a revolution in the field of medical science. What actually is CAR T-cell therapy? So CAR T is a unique form of cancer therapy wherein patient's own immune system is armed to fight against cancer cells. It is known as cellular immunotherapy, where patient's own T cells are directed to fight against the cancer cells. So in CAR T cell therapy, the first step is to isolate the lymphocytes from the patient's blood. These lymphocytes, specifically the T lymphocytes, are isolated from patient's blood by a process known as apheresis, which is almost similar to platelet donation. Once these T cells are isolated, they are genetically engineered in the lab so as they are specifically designed to target the cancer cells of that particular cancer that we need to target. Then once these T cells are genetically engineered, they are multiplied in lab, and once a sufficient number is available, these T cells are transfused back into the patient as we do the blood transfusion. This entire process takes about 3 to 4 weeks to complete. CAR T cell therapy is not available for all types of cancers. It is a highly personalized therapy that is currently approved only for relapsed refractory B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia and B-cell lymphomas. For myeloma, the trials in India are underway, whereas in some countries it is approved for myeloma as well. Why CAR T-cell therapy is better than other forms of therapy? So as I already explained, that first of all, it is a new form of therapy where the patient's own immune system is modulated in such a way that it acts against the cancer cells. Second, it is effective in patients whose disease is not responding to multiple lines of chemotherapy, targeted therapy, or has relapsed even after bone marrow transplant or multiple lines of chemotherapies. So earlier in these patients where there was no hope of cure, CAR T comes as a promising tool that can eradicate their cancers, and it stays in the body and kills cancer cells over a period of time. Though the indications of CAR T cell therapy are limited at present, but I'm sure that with the expanding research and development in this field, CAR T cell therapy will be available for many other forms of cancers in the near future. So if you have any queries regarding CAR T cell therapy, you can always come and discuss with us at Apollomedics Hospital Lucknow. Thank you.